Carafe here, coming to you from Independence, Oregon. Me and my co-star, Mother Nature. It's a beautiful space and time that we're in right now, celebrating new life and new birth on this new earth and new experiences, and everybody trying new things, doing new things, discovering who they really are, discovering their own creativity and their own truth and their own essence and their own own new ways, you know. And it's just a really amazing time right now, and I'm just excited to share this experience with you and introduce this presentation. This is a labor of love, a very guided creative experience of two souls, but collaborative with many of our lifetime's experiences, and Mother Nature herself as our muse and inspiration. This was a journey of discovery. There's a five-year time period where, from the beginning to the commencement and when it officially was committed to, until the summer of last year, around this time, exactly a year, July in 2017 is when the full experience completed. And this is 1 year later, as I've been taking the time, the diligence, and the effort to process and document the experience. And I have come to this my own interpretive expression here as the artist. Spent 5 years throughout the time, you know, off and on, coming to the artistic journey himself through these dream visions that propelled him to create the art from his own interpretation of what true nature within and all around us was trying to convey the story. And I became an interpreter, decoder of the works back in those days, and I was very intrigued by it and became the sponsor, and joined Robert Giuliano, our illustrious guided artist, to see where the journey would take us, and because it was a very unique experience that was being presented and offered an opportunity to explore. And I pretty much surmised and felt in the beginning that there was some kind of expression of a soul trying to find itself, you know, trying to find its way back to its core nature, and using Mother Nature as the guide and the inspiration, as I mentioned, to show the way. She's got something to say. She is sharing this dance with me right now. The trees are dancing, the clouds are swimming, the sun is shining, and it's just a beautiful, collaborative, co-creative, you know, illumination. That's what the guided art experience really is. It's a soul finding its reflection through nature. And as I share in the upcoming piece that I'm going to have coming up after this, there's a bio that was created that explains what the guided art experience really is, and it's essentially this co-creative dance that was opened to and committed to by myself as the sponsor and producer, and the artist as the manifester and developer and conduit to receive the message through these beautiful images. And they're interesting ones that may not be easily understood or comprehended in the intricacy that go deep, you know, into the soul, into the mind, and traverse into crevices and spaces of inner space that very few dare to go. And this artist opened himself up for this experienced, and then shared what he found as he went deep. So the video that I have created to help tell the story, I like to call it the greatest love story of all. And it's one that every single one of us has the opportunity to experience. And it really is essentially finding yourself back into yourself, finding your way back to your heart. It's basically your own heart inviting, tapping on the door of your own person, saying, I'm here. Are you ready to meet me? Are you ready to meet the real you? It's your core origin of essence of life itself, of your truth, which is that we are all love, all light, all pure energy, as from the singularity of cosmic creation, from the source core of all life itself, and which merely exploded, expanded itself, and I call it the cosmic sneeze. And we are all sparks of these, of that expression, or expulsion, okay, from the source of life itself, and are now coming into that opportunity to remember that. What does that really mean? What is that core source of energy that we are all of? And how can we now be that?
I've got to take a little time to think things over. I better read between the lines in case I need it when I'm older. This mountain I must climb feels like the world upon my shoulder. But through the clouds I see love shine. It keeps me warm as life grows colder. In my life there's been heartache and pain. I don't know if I can got nowhere left to hide. It looks like love has finally found me. In my life there's been heartache and pain. I don't know if I can face it again. I can't stop now. I've traveled so far to change this lonely life. I wanna know what love is. I want you to show me. I wanna feel what love is. I know you can show me. I wanna know what love is.
It's finding yourself, finding your passion, finding what brings you the greatest joy. Find out what makes your soul sing. Find out what rocks your world, what bangs your own gong. Which celebrates life as you see it, no matter what it is, in your own creative. It doesn't have to be artistic. It's whatever it is that you use as an expression of your true self. That's what this guided art journey had come to mean to me, is the journey of a soul finding its way back to itself, to its origin, you know. And this artist just merely shared his journey, and I became its commentator, decoder, interpreter of the deeper meaning, I guess you could say, that I felt I resonated with as well into my own truth. And we just collaborated together to create these works, and it was, you know, a two-part process, if you will, of creating the art and then, you know, finding a way to express and interpret it. And I have, you know, then done my part by creating these little art videos that I hope you'll enjoy. I just want to introduce you to this fun playlist, creative and co-collaborative journey that I truly feel that you will experience from your own heart core of relatability, of understanding, and the inclusiveness of how it is presented as a remembrance of all of us that have an innate gift opportunity to find ourselves. And it's just a matter of this love song kind of basically is a your soul, your true love guiding you back to you. Okay, that's why I call it the greatest love story, because we can't express and be this love and this pure light energy that we really are unless we discover that and give that to ourselves first. And we have to start somewhere, so let's start within, and then we begin. And then life is truly lived when you really find out who you really are.
Find a way to my heart, and I will always be with you from wherever you are. I'll be waiting, I'll keep a place in my heart. You will see it shining through, so find a way to my heart, and I will follow you. This journey's not easy for you, I know. If your footsteps get too faint to hear, I know. As you know, questions are never that easy, and never the same. Will you have the answer, believe me, if you have the faith to find a way to my heart, and I will always be with you from wherever you are. Well, I'll be waiting, I'll keep a place in
we're to understand life, if we understand each other, if we are to understand how society works or doesn't work for that matter, right? We have to get back to our own essence first of how we can learn to find that inner peace and that inner guidance. Trust our own self first and get to know ourselves first before we can, and then be at peace with that. Be at peace with who we are, and be it a living example of a guided being who is comfortable to their own innateness and their innate expression of who they are. And if you have that confidence and that sovereign independence of really standing true and solid in who you are and be that walking example, then other people will hopefully see that light of who you are and reflect the same. Because nature is this reflection, as nature has this divine order. Nature's law is cause and effect, and like attracting like, and or a balance of opposites that work in tandem, life and death, and this type of thing. But it's all a grand balance, and we have that same beautiful natural availability within each one of us. So that's what this journey is all about, and I welcome you to this sharing, this creative expression, this journey in a collaborative presentation of different videos that I felt also from other people who have come to their own understanding of this universal truth of awareness that we all will face, because it's the life force coming into its own truth of evolution, and that just means form of growth. Just as a seed, an acorn becomes a little seedling, a little plant, and then grows into a tree. This guided art experience was really inspired, moreover, from Mother Nature, and particularly the Pando Forest in Utah, which is an aspen grove of trees that have, it's actually the largest and one of the oldest living organisms on the planet. And it basically has underneath its surface a universal singular tree root system, and then the trees shoot off from that. That's what an aspen grove essentially is one living organism, and that's essentially what we are in this life force. We are that from that same living organism core of origin, and as humanity and all living, we share that innate root system of life. So when we see life in those eyes, then we can connect, because we are connected then, and we can connect to everything, even if it's something we might not like or care for. But until we get to know who we are and learn to experience life and see life in an expansive way, we have more compassion and understanding for each other and all living, no matter what form and how it comes, because deep down we know that it is a part of us.
earth, sacred sun, in the mystery of creation, all is one. In the one, all is one. In the one, we are all connected by the golden thread in the goddess of creation. I am you, you are me, in the colors that we see, in the mystery of creation. Translucent, brilliant, perfect and bright, rainbows of color through fractals of light. We are one. In the one, we are all connected by the central flame in the fire of all creation. Sacred fire. All is perfect, all is whole. Sacred thorn, sacred rose in the garden of creation. Sacred land. Let go, let go. Life is change, life is flow. Like the sunlight fades to shadow. Sacred fire. Let go. Be the change, be the flow. Like the sunlight fades to shadow. We are all connected by the central flame in the fire of all creation. All is perfect, all is whole. Sacred thorn, sacred rose in the garden of creation. We are one. Sacred sound in the one. Sacred land. We are one. Sacred sound. We are connected. Sacred land. We are all connected. We are one. We are all connected. We are one.
That's what this experience has taught me, and I'm just sharing this in this creative way, and I hope you enjoy going deep into this lovely portal of paint and other artistic medium to show this this experience of life and light and love and heart-centric core experience of living and loving and laughing and being our true, authentic, natural self. So enjoy, and I'll see you on the other side. Take care and much love. Peace.
Walking through a dream, I see you. My light in darkness, breathing hope of new life. Now I live through you and you through me, enchanting. I pray in my heart that this dream never ends. I see me through your eyes, leaving through life flying high. Your love shines the way into paradise. So I offer my life as a sacrifice. I live through your love. You teach me